Look at the eyes. Look how pretty. Look at that. They're so beautiful. They can stay out of the water a little while. We don't want to stress them too much. But check out that eye. That's what I like. He's cool. Let's move back in. Horsefly. Yep. There we go. He's right there. He should be right at 15. We don't need the next one. Be right at 15. 16.
No, that's...
He's 16.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He's 14.
He's not 14.
Yes, that
Oh,
number is
they're twos?
16.
Huh?
That number is 16.
What number?
This number is 16.
No,
so
baby,
it's
it's 18. 8. It's 8.
No, 8.
Guarantee you, it's 8.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no? 4, 8, 12. Okay, then he does make it. If that's 18, then yes. I thought it was 16.
19, 20. Yeah, I think you're right.
No, wait. Because this is 0, 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is a 16.
Come here, give me your rod. Come on, we don't got much time. I think we can catch one more. Where's your rod? Take that little shit off. Watch out the hook. Might have to get it.
So 15 is the one right before him. Did he make it? I think so. He might have made it.
He made it. Hold on, let me get my hook out of the way. Cast way out there.
Where?
Anywhere.
That direct?
What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna move up the post and you're gonna cast. Okay? Where you said maybe they moved up a little more. Oh shit, another fucking shark. Holy shit, that's a huge one.
Trout?
Trout.
Where's the net?
Oh my god, look at the size of this guy. Hurry up. Oh man. Got him. Yeah. All right. I think we caught our limit. Told you.
That's it?
Yeah,
Only
3.
2 per person?
3. We got 3.
3 per boat?
3 per boat, but I'm gonna check now. You keep fishing. Here, use this one. Oh my god, look at the size of this guy. Oh, excellent. They can't be over 20. You only allow 1. Use that. Woo! Sea trout. 3. It says the maximum number of an individual fish legally harvested per harvester per day. We can get up to 6. Back, give me a big one. Oh, he made it.
He's a big one.
Yes, he did. Oh, sorry. He ate the whole thing. He had time to swallow it, enjoy it, have dessert.
Yeah.
They're all like right next to the boat too. That's a jack. That has to be a jack. I knew it. Big old jack.
Oh, shit, he's bloody.
Just like I thought. Felt like a... My blood all over this fucking boat.
You got the rag?
Is it right there? Big old shark. Yeah.